Kanyi merie Fulani, Fulani na magi Chukwu, merie ha zọgbu ha una. Kanyi merie Fulani, Fulani na magi Chukwu, merie ha zọgbu ha una. Kanyi merie Fulani, Fulani na magi Chukwu, merie ha zọgbu ha una. Kanyi merie Fulani, Fulani na magi Chukwu, merie ha zọgbu ha una. Kanyi merie Fulani, Fulani na magi Chukwu, merie ha zọgbu ha una. Kanyi merie Fulani, Fulani na magi Chukwu, merie ha zọgbu ha una. Ewo mụ na nwunye gara ọgụ akpịrị ego, nne nwụdorere anyị. Ewo mụ na nwunye gara ọgụ nwanne re nwanne. Kanyi merie Fulani, Fulani na magi Chukwu, merie ha zọgbu ha una. Kanyi merie Fulani, Fulani na magi Chukwu, merie ha zọgbu ha una. Chukwu okike abịa ma ndewo he, ekekere ụwa ndewo. Yagaje Yagaje Yeah, guys, I'm very delighted today. I will sing my song, but I lost my voice due to, I don't know, because here never easy. It's not easy. Chukwu okike abịa ma ndewo he, ekekere ụwa ndewo. Arụsị ka arụsị etie n'ọgbọ he, mmanwụ ka ijele etie n'ọgbọ. Ọfọ n'ogu ka m ji aga, eke Nkwọ Orie Afọ were ọjị. Ezala Nkworodo ndewo Igwe Kalụmụ n'ọha ezusu. Amadioha ọzụzụ ka m ji aga, eze nwanyị oke osimiri chekwanyo. Agbaloka ndewo ogbu n'abalị kwere ndewo. Ogwugwu akpa ihe ala ndewo ike ngị Igbo ọnụ m ekele gị o. Listen, don't surrender your gun. Listen to me very carefully. Don't surrender your gun. There is no country again. Nigeria is dead. Nigeria is dead. There is no country again called Nigeria. We don't have any president. We don't have any senator. We don't have any House of Rep member. We don't have any government. Nigeria is dead. Keep your gun. Before they want to destroy, they want to disarm everybody so that they can have an easy ride, because Fulani are fools. Fulani don't get power. Fulani only take advantages of those who don't have gun. They only see face-to-face shootouts. Fulani cannot stand you. Look at what happened in Mali. They cannot stand you face-to-face shootouts. The only way they can deal with you is when they have gun. You don't have gun. Do not surrender your gun. Rather, buy more gun. You don't need any license. Fuck license. We don't have any government. We don't have any government. Very soon, Buhari will know that Nigerian army, Nigerian police are more loyal to Biafra than Nigeria. Very soon, Buhari will discover that those people he calls his men are not loyal to him. Very soon we will know where the loyalty lies. God bless Biafra. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Mbamuru dike na mbaka amuru ibe ya. Dibia agwọ, dibia ọzọ agwọarịa. Onye amụma onye amụma ọzọ ekparịa. Ndị otu gbuo, ndị otu ozi ebuarịa. Anyị ebuarịala ihe niile. Don't surrender your gun. Don't surrender your gun. If you are an Igbo, if you are from Biafra, and you are going to those Owambe churches, stop going to those churches. Stop attending those churches. We have Biafran brothers who have anointing, more anointing than those Owambe churches that will never tell you the truth, that believe in extorting your money. Stop attending those churches, because when it will set, they will not defend you. When it will set, they will not defend you. Stick around with those who have a common enemy with you. Stick around with those who have common enemy with you. Stick around with those who have common enemy with you. I'm warning you now. I'm giving you a first hand. Stick around with those who have common enemy with you. No be childful again. No. Do not surrender your gun. Do not surrender your gun. They are trying to disarm you so that they can have an easy ride. Do not, rather buy more guns. Buy more AK-47. Buy more GPMG. If you buy rocket, buy more guns. That is what you should be doing. Do not surrender your gun. Did you understand me? A word is enough for the wise. Do not surrender your gun. Rather, buy more gun. You don't need license to own a gun in this country. The guns that the Fulani herdsmen have, do they have license? Fulani herdsmen that have guns, do they have license? Fulani herdsmen that are carrying gun moving around everywhere. Fulani herdsmen, I'm asking, do they have license? They don't have license. So why are you asking for license? Why are you looking for license to own a gun? They want to revoke the whole license, the whole gun license in the zoo. It's none of our business. As long as we are concerned, we are not Nigerians. We don't give a fuck about what Jibrin is saying. We don't give a fuck about what Jibrin is saying, because Jibrin is not my president. The senators are not my senators. The House of Rep members are not my House of Rep members. I don't care about them. And they don't care about me. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Instead of you to surrender your gun, buy more gun. Buy for yourself. Buy for your wife. Buy for your children. Teach them how to operate the trigger. Go for trigger operation training. Buy gun for your wife. Buy for your son. Buy for yourself. If you buy for your neighbor, buy for your neighbor too. Do you understand? Buy for your neighbor. Because now injury to one is injury to all. They will not come and say, hey, this guy, are you an IPA member or are you a BSMS member? They don't know who is who. They only know that, hey, this guy Nyamere. And Nyamere means if you are Urobo, you are Nyamere. Efik, you are Nyamere. Ishekiri, you be Nyamere. Ijo, you be Nyamere. Ibo, you be Nyamere. Ogoja, you be all of them are Nyamere Nabi. God bless Biafra. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. If you need a pistol that you want to hold on your own, contact me after this program. I will direct you on what to do. We must listen. We know the hide them. I've been saying it since July last year now. Why should I be afraid of who? Afraid of he that wants to kill me? How many Fulani herdsmen has Buhari arrested? How many Fulani herdsmen that have been murdering people has Buhari arrested? How many of them have been taken to jail? None. None. And yet Buhari wants to disarm us. It will not work. Keep your gun. Keep your gun. Do not surrender your gun. There is no rule of law in Nigeria. There is no, in fact, we are in anarchy now. Anarchy. We are in anarchy in this useless country. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Keep your gun. Do not surrender your gun. Do not surrender your gun. If there is anyone to be disarmed, it is Fulani herdsmen. Let them go and disarm Fulani herdsmen and not to disturb innocent Biafrans. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Like I used to say here always, we need arms. If you cannot give us arms, give us the money. By very soon, we are going to distribute letter to all the businessmen in Biafra land. They don't have any choice. They don't have any choice than to support this cause. They don't have any choice. We are going to appeal to them in the letter. But when appeal refuses to happen, then there will be only one option left. And that option, I am willing to do it. Because I have the military, I have all the Christian military by my side. At my command, Borantai go no say he no get anybody. What I need is, I need financial support. We need money. Because you use money to win war. I need the ego. We need money. We need money. We need money. And we're going to get that money by all means necessary. I cannot wait and watch the Fulani slaughter us. Who is Fulani? Who is Fulani? Look at the useless governor of Kogi State, who is not even sure of ticket. He's saying he's mandating his people to produce the killers of the Fulani herdsmen. How many of those Fulani herdsmen that keep people in Kogi State have he arrested? That's to show you how useless, how stupid some people are. Cowards. I, Chukwuma Dike, General Amemon, I am not a coward and I will never be a coward. My enemies, I am stronger than my enemies. My enemies will bow before me. Because this year, my God has prepared the table before me in the presence of my enemies. This year, and from this year on till the day I die, my God has prepared the table before me in the presence of my enemies. They'll be watching me eating big. They'll be watching me living long. They'll be watching me living perfect life, good life, with enough to eat, enough to share. And they can do nothing about it. Because my God is alive. My God is protecting me. No surrender your gun. Do not listen to their intimidation. Those guys, Fulani will go on. Fulani will get out. Fulani no get mouth. Fulani no strong. Fulani is nothing. Fulani is nothing. Fulani is nothing. Who will be Fulani? Fulani cannot stand face to face it out. The reason why Fulani is making mouth today is because of Nigeria. And very soon, breeze go blow, and we will see for Onyash. Fulani is nothing. Fulani is a nobody. Fulani is nothing. Fulani is powerless. Comparing Fulani with Biafrans is like comparing an ant with an elephant. In size, you're comparing. So someone is saying an ant is bigger than an elephant. Now, life, Fulani is nothing. How many Fulanis are in Nigerian army? How many Fulanis are in Nigerian army? God bless Biafra, and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Obimu deredu gatolojo, obim deredu chukumari homo gemeranyo, obimu deredu gatolojo, obim deredu chukumari homo gemeranyo, obim deredu. God bless Biafra. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Onyatolojo. Unatozunojo. Onyatolojo. Use me as an example. Do they fear nothing? If there is nothing you have learned, let me stand nothing now. Python dance 1. Python dance 2. I did. Python dance 3. I did. Lagos State Police Command. I did. Even in my community here, the king of my community is colliding with Nigerian army to come and get me arrested. I told him to come. The Royal Highness of my community is planning with military to come to my house. I said, come. Come now, make I see you. I'm telling you, Biafra, so that you know. I will post this picture very, very soon. He's a coward and a non-entity. And he will be dethroned by the time we will create Biafra. Moi, Arose. No one threatens me. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Make nobody get shaky. Make nobody get any fear. No get any fear for anything. Be strong. Be bold. Be strong, be bold, no fear anything. There is nothing to fear. There is absolutely nothing to fear. Because he that is with us is bigger than he that is against us. The whole world knows the atrocities of the Fulanis. They are paying millions. People are eating their money. But those people who eat their money will betray them. Those who eat their money will also betray them. Because they are killing and they are also killing the Muslims too. Bandits everywhere. Kidnappers everywhere. And someone said, inbox me, General, or I will donate to the Bitcoin address. Please, our Bitcoin address, I had a little issue. It has not been rectified. It has a little issue. Please, do not donate there yet. It has a little issue. Yes, there was a little issue. Something happened. I don't know, I don't know if it was somebody hacked or something like that, but an issue happened. So I'm trying to rectify. I'm trying to see what I will do about it. The BSMS member in charge is coming to rectify it. So please, until you hear from me, do not donate anything in that Bitcoin. God bless Biafra. God bless BSMS. Onyatolojo, nobody should have any fear or doubt in his mind. Is this struggle? Are we going to? What do you want to see? You want to hear, "Thus says the Lord." Have faith. Have faith in Chukwuka Abiyama. Have faith in yourself. Trust in Chukwuka Abiyama. Trust in yourself too. In this battle, we don't win. In this battle, we don't win and finish. We have won this battle and we are going to win this battle forever. No matter how much the useless Fulani government, no matter how much the useless Fulani government are going to pay to image makers, to different organizations to make sure that they destroy the credibility of Biafra, it will happen. It will never, never, ever happen. No matter what they do, you must have many we will come out victorious. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. No fear. No fear. Ịga n'iru bụ ndụ, ịlaghachi azụ bụ ọnwụ. Ịga n'iru bụ ndụ, ịlaghachi azụ bụ ọnwụ. Ịga n'iru bụ ndụ, ịlaghachi azụ bụ ọnwụ. Do not ever think of giving up at this critical point in time. No ever think of giving up. At this critical point in time, don't give up. Lekwe Biafra. See or see Biafra. Don't ever think of giving up. Don't ever think of it. Be strong. Be bold. Be powerful. The temptations you are seeing, if I tell you the ones I'm passing through, the Eze of my community, the fake Eze that does not have offer in my community, the one that Rocha has placed in my community, he's even planning with looking for soldiers. He's begging soldiers, come and arrest this boy, you. And the soldiers are doing him like this. Okay, we'll come. We will not come. We will come. Eh? No matter what you face, be strong. No matter what you face, be strong. No matter what you see, be bold. Do not be scared. Do not be scared of anything. Tell me, waiting will cause you to fear now. Just tell me what waiting will make you fear. Waiting will make you fear now. Tell me what one thing that will make you to be afraid. Is it Jubrin? Tell me what will make you to be afraid. Tell me one thing that will make you to be afraid. There's nothing to fear. Who are you going to be afraid of? Jubril al-Sudani. Who you go fear? Who you go fear? Is it Burantai? No fear anything. No fear anything. Be strong. 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 No fear. There's no need. There's no need to fear anything. I keep assuring you. Use me as an example. I keep assuring you. There's no need to be afraid of anything. There is nothing to fear. Because we are greater than our enemies. The only reason why our enemies are making mouth is because we were not united before. But now we are. Now we have gathered together. How many soldiers are loyal to him? When the time comes, we will know where the loyalty lies. Even today, an army man called me today, say, General, I want to resign. I say, wait. He said, General, I want to resign. I want to resign from Nigerian army today. I tell him, I said, wait. Today, before I started this program, he called me and said, I want to resign today. I said, wait. There is no cause for alarm. There is no need to be scared. There is no need. There is no need to be scared. You don't need to be afraid. Be bold. Be fearless. We are bigger than our enemies. We are stronger than our enemies. We are more mightier than our enemies. God bless you. God bless you. Instead of you to surrender your arms, buy more arms. Instead of you to surrender your gun, buy more gun. Buy for yourself, buy for your neighbor. For your neighbor. Since they don't want, listen, every government wants peace to rule. Since they don't want peace in this country, we are going to give them pieces. By the time we finish with them, Gaddafi go end. Gaddafi's story will be better than Jubray's story. Gaddafi's story will be better than Borantai's story. Gaddafi's story will be better than al-Bakaira's story. All of them will die miserable deaths. Sorry, it's Zoo Network. Thank you for bearing with me. It's Zoo Network. It will come, it will go, it will come, it will go. By the time we create Biafra, we will have a better network. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. I've been having so many calls. I will stop this program now and I will continue. I will announce it if I will continue tomorrow. God bless you. Do not submit your arms. Don't try it. Don't ever try it to submit your arms. Keep your arms. Keep your guns. God bless you all. Thank you.